So, hi Sophie. The app is located on Google Play Store. This would bring a new user to the Play Store and search for the app, HakiApp, to be among the first entries on the list. And when someone clicks on it and installs it fully, it will bring them to the dashboard. This is where a user can look for the particular type of lawyers they are after, even though they may not be sure which particular type of law it falls under. The drop-down list would bring the point closer home, and he or she would be able to select the one they feel applies most to them, be it litigation, be it tax, insurance, or even family. If I choose on family and click search, then um, the lawyer that is closest to my location would pop up, and in this case there's one called Mwangi Michael. The next step would just to click consult. The app would automatically tell you if you have a credit balance that you're able to use for the call, the minimum charge, and also how much the lawyer will cost per minute. And if you have a coupon, this is where you'd enter and click verify. In the case we do not have a coupon at the moment, so I'll click verify, and it will bring you more of a data receipt of who you're calling, his specialization, location, and your credit balance. And if you agree with the information, all you do is click OK, and the app will move ahead to hail the particular lawyer you're after. It is a 60-second connection, and I'm going to send you a video of the lawyer receiving this call from here henceforth. But this is so far the user journey. Okay, 1 minute.